Where do you go every evening?
I go for English class.
English class?
Yes.
Where is English class in Unava?
Yes, it is in Navavas.
Will you take me?
Sure, why not?
I will ask my parents and I will come with you.
Yes, please ask. It is very nice. It is very helpful. In few days, I will be able to speak in English.
I too wish the same.
Good night.
Bye. Bye. Good night. Bye. Good night.